and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvette and I'm part of the Not Too Shabby Shop design team. Thank you so much for joining our hop today. We are very excited to share this month's newest subscriptions. We'd love for you to hop along, leave everyone some love, and subscribe if you'd like. To watch all the videos in today's hop, be sure to check out the playlist, which is linked in the description box below. As a reminder, today's hop is a giveaway opportunity, and you can enter to win using the giveaway link in the description box. That will give you a chance to win a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby Shop. I'll also be sure to link to the Not Too Shabby Shop in the description box. So this month I received the paper pad club. So I got these two beautiful paper pads. This one is the Make-A-Wish paper pad, and this is the Rugged Birthday paper pad. You can get just the paper pad club, or if you choose, you can add on this pack of coordinating ephemera. This is the Make-A-Wish ephemera, so it goes with a Make-A-Wish paper pack. Or you can choose the I Want It All bundle, which will include the paper packs, the ephemera, and this stamp set. This is the Say It With Birthday Style stamp set, and it has lots of cute birthday sentiments. This one says, I don't know how to act my age. I've never been this old before. I really like that one. This one, happy birthday to you. Another year, another adventure. Happy You Day. This one, worth the wait. Really, really cute sentiments, and I love the variety of fonts on here. So I'm loving this stamp set. Alrighty, friends, so I decided to play with the Make-A-Wish paper pack and the coordinating ephemera. So here is my plan. I've chosen two pieces of patterned paper, and I'm going to make two cards with these. So let's start doing that. I also went ahead and chose my ephemera, die cut this scalloped heart as well, a stitched scalloped heart, and this stitched heart in white to kind of ground my ephemera. So I did that for two cards, and I have this matte layer of the pink paper for the two cards as well. So let's see, let's get started on this, and I'll show you just how I'm going to be cutting these. So I'm going to start with this directional paper with the top towards the left, and I'm going to cut it down to 5 1/4, and then rotate it and cut it at 4. So that will leave me with this 4 by 5 1/4 piece and 2 by 5 1/4 piece, and this is a 3/4 inch by 6 inch piece. So I'll repeat that for my second sheet of paper here, because as I said, I'm just going to make two cards today, and really quick and easy card. I'm not using a sketch, I'm just throwing this together. So let's start with one, and what I think I'm going to do is switch. So the reverse of this paper will go here, and the reverse of the other will go there, and kind of just put our cards together. friends, so there are my completed cards using the Make-A-Wish paper pack and coordinating ephemera, and I think they turned out beautifully. I love these birthday cards. So there's this little girl holding a cake that says happy birthday and some ice cream to go with that cake. This background paper says happy birthday. There's all this confetti and then some candles on the inside. Love that. And this one, the background paper says party all over it. Here we say happy birthday, more confetti paper, and more candles. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.